Welcome back my YouTube channel The Sarif. How to earn passive income online. This tutorial is about the how to earn passive income online. We will try your best so that you are understand this quite. I hope you like this blog how to earn passive income online. If your answer is yes, then please do share after reading this. Number one, check how to earn passive income online. Number two, rent your house. Number three, invest in stocks. Number four, sale of digital products. Number five, affiliate marketing schemes. Number six, become a POSP insurance agent. Final words, how to earn passive income online. Check how to passive income online. Number one, invest in rental properties. Real estate investing is one of the most popular ways to earn passive income. With a little investment, you can buy and rent houses, offices, apartment buildings, and other types of real estate. You will then be able to earn rental income each month and even hire a property manager to handle day to day problems with tenants and collect payments. What is the requirement? Investment. Owning or rental property requires a bit of work and financial investment at first. How much can you earn? Depending on how many properties you own, the types of tenants, and the amount of rent, you can earn a significant amount of money through rental properties. What to take into account? There are some financial risks to owning a property, such as not being able to find tenants or facing a higher mortgage. So make sure there is a market for your property before you invest. Number two, rent your house. If you can invest in a separate property to rent, you can rent out your current properties by partnering with the rental company like Airbnb. This method will work well if you have free rooms or if you have to be out of town for a while. You can even rent your car to earn a little extra money. What is the requirement investment? This requires very little investment and minimal extra work. How much can you earn? Your earnings will be determined by the size of your property and the rental company you partner with. What to take into account? While there are very few financial downsides here, you should always be careful about allowing strangers to stay in your space. Number three, invest in stocks. When you make a stock investment, you are essentially buying shares of a company. And when those shares increase in value, you will receive payments or dividends at regular intervals from the company. Since these individuals are paid per share, the more shares you own, the higher your earnings. Many people are wary of investing in the stock market because there are no guarantees. But if you diversify your portfolio and reduce risk, it can be a great way to earn passive income slowly over time. What is a requirement investment? When you invest in the stock market, you may have to do some work at first to find the right stock to buy. Aside from this, you will also need to make an initial monetary investment. How much can you earn? Profitable stocks will pay high dividends for you and can be a great way to build lasting wealth. What to take into account? There is always a bit of risk when investing in the stock market because when companies don't do well or in time are uncertainty, the value of their shares can be reduced, but you can minimize these risks by choosing to invest in exchange traded funds, ETFs, or high dividend stocks are financially stable companies. Number 4. Sale of digital products. Digital products refer to types of downloadable or streamable media. These include templates, plugins, PDFs, printables, ebooks, audio or video courses, or UX kits. The content of these products can vary greatly from collection of recipes to designs, templates, and schematics. Once these products is created, you can generate passive income by distributing and selling it through sites like Udemy, Skillshare, or Coursera. What is the requirement investment? To have a product to sell to others, you have to do some work at the beginning to grade the product. How much can you earn? Digital products have high profit margins since you only need to make the asset once, but you can sell it as many times as you like online. What to take into account? Since there are many products on the internet, you may need to create something unique or something that targets a specific market to make a lot of money from it. You also need to know how to market your products. Number 5. Affiliate marketing schemes. Affiliate marketing is a way to help brands looking for ways to spread the word about their products. You become an affiliate of a certain brand or company like Amazon and promote their products to your followers as readers, including linking on to the products on your site or social media account. You can then earn passive income from commissions for marketing your products online by earning a portion of the profit from every sale you help make. So the more people buy these products using your specific link, the more money you get. What is the requirement investment? While this may involve a very small monetary investment, you will need to spend a significant amount of time up front to build a large social network by following a website, blog, or growing an email list. How much can you earn? Affiliate marketing is a growing industry and therefore there are high chances for high profits. What to take into account? There is very little cost or risk to joining an affiliate program, and you can also easily scale by promoting new products to your audience. Number 6, become a POSP insurance agent. A POSP or point of sale is an insurance agent. They work with insurance companies to sell insurance policies to clients based on their personal needs. While this requires some initial active involvement, you can also earn passive income when these customers renew their policies. You can find more information about the steps, requirements, and regulations to become a POSP agent here. What is the requirement in investment? If you work hard initially and build a good customer base, you simply renew policies with much less effort and earn passive income.